Do you want to spruce up your living space and make it more functional? If so, consider taking on some fun home improvement projects. From simple DIY updates to more involved renovations, there are many ways to improve your home's look and feel without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore some fun and creative home improvement ideas to transform your home into a more inviting and enjoyable space. So grab your tools, and let's get started. Looking for a way to upgrade your home while having fun? Home improvement projects can greatly add value to your home and create a more comfortable living space. But not all home improvement projects have to be dull or tedious. Plenty of fun projects you can tackle will also give your home a fresh new look. In this video, we'll explore some fun home improvement projects you can try. Fun home improvement. 1. Paint your front door. Your home's front door is typically the first thing people see when they come to your home, so why not make it stand out? Painting your front door a bold color can add personality and charm to your home's exterior. Pick a color that complements the rest of your home's color scheme, but don't be afraid to go bold. 2. Create a gallery wall. Gallery walls are a stylish way to add art and personality to your home decor. Choose your favorite prints, photographs, and artwork, and create a collage on a wall in your home. Mix and match frames and colors to create a unique and eye-catching display. 3. Add a backsplash. A backsplash can add color and texture to your kitchen or bathroom. You can choose from various materials, including tile, glass, or wallpaper. Not only will a backsplash add visual interest, but it will also protect your walls from water damage and stains. 4. Install a DIY headboard. A headboard can add style and comfort to your bedroom. Instead of purchasing a pre-made headboard, consider making your own. You can use reclaimed wood, fabric, or even an old door to create a unique and personalized headboard. 5. Create a custom closet. A custom closet can be a game changer for organization and storage. You can install shelves, drawers, and hanging rods to create a space tailored to your needs. A custom closet will make it easier to find what you're looking for and add value to your home. These are just a few fun home improvement projects you can tackle. Not only will these projects add value and functionality to your home, but they will also allow you to express your style and creativity. So why not take on a fun home improvement project today? Conclusion. In conclusion, home improvement projects don't have to be tedious. With some creativity and a little effort, you can maximize your living space into a place that reflects your style and tastes. Whether you're looking to update your kitchen, add a custom closet, or create a DIY art project, there are countless ways to add value and functionality to your home. So why not take on a fun home improvement project today? Not only will you improve your living space, but you'll also enjoy the process of creating something new and exciting for your home. Thanks for watching. Learn more at homeimprovement89.com. Click link below.